I'm Beth Minardi. I am told that I am the most awarded hair colorist in America. I've won tons of awards and been honored to have been a part of Clairol, L'Oreal, Redken, Joico, my own brand, Beth Minardi, and now a special consultant to the Beauty Quest group. Hair color is my life. I color hair in the salon, I teach it, I love it, and I help develop it. People should color their hair because, think of it, it's the makeup you never take off. If you are being looked at by other people, do you want to catch their eye? Do you want to feel your best? Or do you want to look natural, but maybe enhance that natural just a bit? There's so many ways from almost nothing to the sublime that hair color can really enhance your image. Teaching color is one of the joys of my life. I teach color all the time. And during COVID, the best way I reach people is through my professional page on Facebook. It is a group page for members, and the membership is free. The name of the page or the group is Conversations with Top Color Professionals by Beth Minardi. As soon as COVID ends, I'm delighted to be part of the Beauty Quest group. I'll be teaching at major functions across America, and I'm happy to come to your salon to teach you. There is a tuition, and if you reach out to me, we can make plans so that you can have others join you at your salon or do something only for your salon. I'm out there to teach, and I'll take you from beginner to advanced to whatever creative part of coloring you'd like to do. I'm passionate about color. I was very lucky to work at major color corporations where I worked with top chemists, formulated hair color, and wrote education for color, as well as taught people all over the country. I've owned a salon in New York City and colored hair here since 1989, and color is my thing. I love it, and I'm honored to be a part of this beautiful industry.